Let's learn the letter V. V says V is for violin, violin, violin. V is for vegetables, yummy vegetables, vegetables. V is for vulture, vulture. And avocado, avocado, avocado. Dive, let's go diving, dive. And love, love, love. Good job, you learned V says V. V is for violin, violin. Say it with me. Violin, violin. Let's learn the letter W. W says w. Water, water, water. Whale, whale. Say it with me. Whale. Watch, watch, watch. Our w sound is in the middle of this word. Blower, blower. And here it is at the end. Snow, snow. And meow, meow. Great, you learned W says w. W. W is for whale, whale. Say it with me. Whale, whale. What color is this whale? This is a blue whale. Let's learn the letter X. X says x, x, x. X is for exam, exam, exam. Next, next, next. Sixth, sixth. Fox, a cute little fox. And an ox, ox. Fantastic, you learned X says x, x, x. X, x, X is in fox. Say it with me. Fox, x, fox, x. X is in box. Say it with me. Box, x, box.